If you've been saying, I'll start next week, I'll start next month, I'll start when I'm ready, this video is going to help you post your first talking video in the next 24 hours. Most beginners think posting their first video is a huge project. They think they need perfect lighting, perfect editing, a perfect script, perfect confidence. So they spend weeks preparing. The problem is that preparation feels productive, but preparation is not posting. Most people spend more time thinking about their first video than it would actually take to record it. I'll give you my own example. When I first started posting talking videos, at least on my Instagram for my social media management online business that I started, I had a coach and everything. But the coach said that, yeah, you can post talking videos, but you have to post B roll videos as well. You'll get more reach because they're shorter, blah, 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 and all of that stuff. But honestly, before I posted my first talking video, I was really scared. I was thinking about, oh, do I have the right equipment? Do I have a good camera? Do I have a good phone if I'm using my phone? For example, on reels and stuff, you use your phone. Do I need a good phone? So I literally waited until I could save up money to buy the phone I'm recording on right now. So I waited until I got the phone. And after I got the phone, I'm like, oh, do I have the confidence? Do I have the right confidence? I don't think I do. I don't think I am an expert. I don't think, like, who am I to talk about social media management and Instagram marketing? I don't know anything, right? And because of that, I kept postponing next week, next month. So it took me over 3 months to post my first talking video. And that is because I had a coach and because I used to be an over the top extrovert because of my bipolar disorder. But that's a different channel and that's a different story. If you want to know more about my bipolar disorder, you can put it in the comments and I'll link my other channel to you. That's called Building a High Performance Life with Bipolar Disorder. But this is about talking videos. And of course, I didn't have my confidence and I took so much time. I'm like, oh fuck, what am I going to do? Like, do I have what it takes to make a talking video? Am I qualified? Like, do I have the right lighting? Do I have the right editing skills? Do I have to write a script every single time? I kept thinking and thinking, and then it went from thinking to overthinking. So I was overthinking all the goddamn time about should I really actually post a talking video? And it took me 3 months of overthinking. And then I somehow managed to post my first talking video. I think actually after 5 months. So 2 months, for the first 2 months, I was just posting B-roll videos with just me walking around in the video and not actually talking, but some text on the screen. But then a talking video, it took me another 2 months. So it totally took me 5 months of overthinking and telling myself that I'll start next week, I'll start next month, I'll start when I'm ready, I'll start when I have the perfect lighting, I'll start when I have the right tripod, or whatever excuse I was giving myself. So that's what I had done. Your first video doesn't need to be good. Your first video has only one job: to exist. Nobody starts great. Nobody starts confident. Nobody starts polished. The people you watch today have ugly first videos too. You just never see them. The goal is not to become a great creator in 24 hours. The goal is to become someone who posts. Stop focusing on making a great video. Focus on publishing a video. Perfection is slowing you down. Progress moves you forward. You don't need to impress anyone. You need to build proof for yourself. Every creator starts with one video. By this time tomorrow, you could still be thinking, or you could have your first video posted. If you're serious about becoming confident on camera and finally posting your first videos, subscribe. That's exactly what we are building on this channel. I'm going to give you an action plan now. Take out your phone. For example, take out your phone. Today, not later, today. Open your camera app. Answer this question. Why do I want to start posting videos? Talk for 30 to 60 seconds. Don't worry about mistakes. Do not stop and restart. Just talk. Watch it once. Only once. Choose a platform. YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, doesn't matter. Post it. No editing, no fancy editing, no complicated captions. Just post. Then celebrate because you've already done something that most people never do. 24 hours from now, one of two things will happen. You'll still be planning your first video, or you'll be someone who has already posted one. That's the choice. Your first video is not the goal. Your first video is the beginning. So stop trying to make it perfect. Record it, post it, then start building from there.